Hey fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if it's your first time here, please hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. In this video, I'm going to be giving you an update of a former Mamelodi Sundowns defender who dated Gogo Maweni passed away. Former Mamelodi Sundowns left-back defender Siyabonga Zulu, who was heavily linked with Sangoma Gogo Maweni, whose real name is Makgotso Mofokeng, has sadly passed away at age 31. Zulu shared a love child with a controversial traditional healer who claimed that she bewitched him, dated her before she wedded her husband Sabelo Mgube in an intimate traditional wedding ceremony late last year. On Sunday, one of the leading sport publications in South Africa, Soka Laduma, reported that former Mamelodi Sundowns left-back defender Siyabonga Zulu, who was playing his trade in the ABC Motsepe League at Mpumalanga-based outfit Pezula FC, has sadly passed away. In addition, it is further reported that the details of Siyabonga Zulu untimely passing are still unclear at this stage. Former Mamelodi Sundowns left-back defender Siyabonga Zulu, who joined the club in January 2018, from now defunct Platinum Star, made only 3 appearances across all competitions during his playing days at the Big Spenders, and he created 1 assist. In addition, the capped former Bafana Bafana international also made 2 appearances in the Nedbank Cup competition during his playing days at Mamelodi Sundowns, and he created 1 assist. I would love to express my deepest condolences to the family of the late Siyabonga Zulu and those closest to him during this difficult moment in their lives. May his soul rest in peace.